Hey guys, today we are going to talk about gallbladder stones, which are also known as gallstones. Gallstones are caused by the disturbances in the composition of the bile. A change in the ratio of cholesterol and bile salts may result in the formation of deposits in gallbladder. In the initial stage, these may be in the form of fine granules, but these fine particles constitute the nucleus for further deposits, ultimately which are leading to the formation of larger stones. An irritation of lining of gallbladder due to inflammation may also lead to the formation of gallbladder stones. The incidence of gallbladder stones are higher in females than males, and particularly in those who are obese. The primary symptoms of the gallbladder stones are indigestion, gas, a feeling of fullness after meals, constipation, nausea, and disturbed vision. Other symptoms are intolerance to fats, dizziness, jaundice, anemia, acne, and other lesions. Also, the symptoms like varicose veins, hemorrhoids, and a breakdown of capillaries are associated with gallbladder stones. The main cause of gallbladder stones are digestive disturbances due to the regular excessive intake of fats and carbohydrates in the diet. They can also be brought on by the disturbances of liver and gallbladder. Meals rich in fat may also cause an attack of gallbladder pain or gallstone colic. Often the disorder is caused by a diet rich in refined carbohydrates such as white sugar or white flour. There are three types of gallbladder stones depending on the cause of their formation. The first one is cholesterol stone. These stones are caused by the change in ratio of cholesterol and the bile salts. The second one is pigment stones, which are a composition of bile pigments. These stones are caused by the destruction of red blood cells due to certain blood disease. Third type is mixed stones, which consist the layers of cholesterol, calcium, and bile pigment, which is bilirubin, resulting from the stagnation of the bile flow. Now let us talk about the natural and Ayurvedic remedy to get rid of these gallbladder stones. You need 5 ingredients to prepare the remedy. The first ingredient is 6 pieces of almonds. Second ingredient is 6 pieces of munakka, which is also known as seeded raisins. Third ingredient is 4 gram of deshelled muskmelon seeds. Fourth ingredient is 2 pieces of green cardamom. And fifth ingredient is 10 gram crystalled sugar, which is also known as mishri. To prepare the remedy, make a shake by grinding all the ingredients with 50 ml water. After preparing the shake, leave the shake for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, filter it and drink it. You have to drink it in the morning empty stomach or at least 2 hours after your meal. Use this remedy every day for best results. Alright guys, hope you like the video. If you find the video informative and useful, then please share it with your friends and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. And for more natural remedies, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for further updates.